Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Les with another video. Before I get started, people, I want to say thank you to 1,298 subscribers that we have. I want to say thank you guys and welcome to my journey on my YouTube. I appreciate all you guys and all my subscribers. Thank you so much. Today's video, people, is about this flashlight. This is a LED flashlight that I bought from somebody. He was selling it for $5. And I bought it, people. A lot of people didn't want to buy this flashlight and they don't know the mistake that they made. These are very good flashlight in case an emergency, people. You never know when we're going to have a blackout and you don't have a flashlight at home. And please, people, try to buy yourself a LED flashlight. These are the best flashlights in the world. Do not buy flashlights from the 99-cent store or your store. Order them online. Make sure that it says LED flashlight, LED flashlight, okay, people? These are the best flashlights in the world, and they are very, very bright, people. I highly recommend, especially for those people who live in them countries out there in the world, that the lights goes off. It's good to have a LED flashlight, people, for emergency. I'm telling you right now. This flashlight, I got lucky. I did research on eBay. They cost about $27. But you got also small ones, people, that are very, very bright. And they cost under $10. So do yourself a favor. Buy yourself at least 3 or 4 of these flashlights. If you can't afford to buy a big one like this one, buy the little ones for like $8. Make sure it's LED, people. Do not buy the ones that got the bulbs. Those are no good and they are not that bright. These flashlights are the best and they are super, super bright. I'm going to show you now a video of me turning it on and pointing it on the roof, and you're going to see how bright is this flashlight. So people, don't wait for that moment to come that there will be a blackout and you don't have a flashlight. It is very important to have a flashlight in case an emergency. I always buy these type of flashlights because I like to buy good stuff, people. I don't like buying cheap flashlight that is not going to do the job right. So do your research on eBay, Amazon, and order yourself LED flashlights for emergency. And do not regret not having a flashlight, people, because these flashlights are very good. I'm always buying flashlights like these because I'm always having blackouts. Sometimes in the summer now, we always get blackouts on our building. And it's very important to have these type of flashlight, people. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. And now I'm going to show you guys how bright is this flashlight. And have a great day, people. Peace.